Alvin, Tina, happy anniversary. Long live.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Kuya Alvin and Ate Tina.
Happy wedding anniversary, Tito and Tita. Many more years to come. Hi, Tina and Brother Alvin. I wish you more happiness and more years to celebrate together. And wishing you all the best.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Alvin and Tina.
Hello, Alvin and Tina. Just want to greet you. Happy silver anniversary. God bless. More blessing to come. And cheers. Let's go.
Hi, Brother Alvin and Sister Tina. Congratulations for reaching this milestone together.
Thank you for all that you do for Couples for Christ and for NCOP.
You share many more memories and cherished share many adventures and memories together. Happy 25th anniversary.
Congratulations
From the O'Malley family. Cheers!
Thank you. Happy anniversary!
Hi, this is Rob and Ann from Pasama Tennis and Pickleball Committee. We're wishing you a happy 25th anniversary. I hope you're having fun in Australia.
Wish we could be there.
Ann's sister is renewing her vows also, like you guys, so it should be fun. Bye-bye.
Hi, Easty and Alvin. Congratulations on your renewal of vows. And of course, happy 25th anniversary. So I have no other wish but just of course to keep the fire burning between the love of the two of you. And of course, enjoy the rest of your lives until you get old. So, and hoping for a tennis match once we get there.
Hi, congratulations, Easty and Alvin, on your silver wedding anniversary. Just continue to love one another as a friend, as a companion, and then as a lover, syempre. Cheers to more happy married life. Congrats!
Congratulations! Happy 25th anniversary!
Hello, Alvin and Tina. Have a blessed 25th wedding anniversary. May your wedding be blessed by God and your children too. We wish you all the best. Ipawit nyo lahat ay batang ninyong third anniversary nyo. Yo. Thanks. Yo.
Alvin, Tina, ang masasabi ko lang, yung sinabi ni mami nyo, ninlo ng auntie nyo. Tapos nandito kami ngayon sa bahay nyo dati, kinaroroonan ni Ann sa Ferdinand. Nagkaroon kami ng konting salo-salo at para na rin sa pagbati sa inyo, kaya happy 25th wedding anniversary. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah!
Best wishes and congratulations, Alvin and Tina. Cheers.
Happy silver wedding anniversary, Alvin and Tina.
Hello, Kuya Alvin and Ate Tina. Mahal namin kayo. Congratulations on the many loving years that you've been together that led to renewing your vows. I've stayed with you guys once, and I remember you two flirting, and Ate teasing you to get you out of your shell, and Kuya just having this quiet kind of a smile of someone content in being loved. I'm inspired that you show up for each other, that nag-play pa rin kayo ng tennis together, that you stay active in your community, and grow incredible children. May your journey be filled with happiness. We love you. So,
and Ray would like to play a song.